Here we go. Here is a detailed video of the way that I do a silk press. So this is considered a LaFawn signature silk press if you book it on the website. After washing and deep conditioning with LaFawn Care's Mango Deep Conditioner using a steam treatment, I then go in and I blow dry the hair. I don't round brush it. I don't blow dry it bone straight. I blow dry it until it's dry and until it's smooth. That eliminates a lot of the heat damage. Then I go in with LaFawn Care's Silk Cream. I used a pea size at first, and then I went back in with a little bit more because I noticed I needed a little bit more. I'm going in with my EAP Heats flat iron, and I'm going to slow it down a little bit to show you. So I press the root once, press the root twice, hold it, and then I chase it with the comb going straight down with only doing one pass to the rest of the hair. Again, you're pressing the roots twice with one pass through the rest of the hair. That's it. You continue that for the whole head. When you get to the edges, use a smaller flat iron to press the edges one time in little small pieces. Now, depending on the hair texture, depends on the size of parting. If you have thicker, coarser hair, you need smaller parts to press. Now, she needed a deep trim. Everybody doesn't need a deep trim. But because of the breakage from her hair color, a lot of her hair split all the way to the top, where you get these flyaways that are just nasty. So I'm taking my electric trimmer and I'm going down her hair, and it's only cutting the split ends that need to be cut. Now, I asked her to stand up so I could take about 1 inch off of her hair. And then I go in and I trim the rest, making sure that everything is nice and trimmed evenly, looking good. Now I go in with the holding spray and then I just curl. Always asking my client what type of style they want, what type of curl they want. And I'm just styling the hair at this point. I'm lowering the temperature of the flat iron and creating beautiful curls. That's it. I placed a little bit of soap drops on my hands and fingers. I ran it through her hair, placed it where her part is to lay her hair flat at the top, and that's it. Voila, we're done.